See, we can't strike this one with a hammer. So next time this happens, we're SOL. Well, hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Automotive Insight. Today we've got a 2003 Mercury Grand Marquis. It was brought in on a rollback as a no crank, no start. I'll save you the trouble of how we diagnosed it. Basically, we just beat on the starter with a hammer and it needs a starter. So let's get into it. All right, since we're going to be messing with very high amperage currents, we're going to go ahead and disconnect our battery. It is an 8mm. All right, so underneath is our starter. You can see all the witness marks of us beating on it. We'll go ahead and take this cover off here. Our bolt sizes for our S-wire, our start wire, is a 10mm. And our B plus is a 13mm. All right, so the starter is held on by three 10mm bolts, bottom, side, and top. I'm going to start with the hardest one on top, and that's basically 4 inches worth of extension and a deep 10mm. All right, got our new Bosch. Now this one, see, we can't strike this one with a hammer. So next time this happens, we're SOL. All right, get our B plus hook back up. And our S terminal hook back up. One thing to avoid, which I've seen it before, is when I tighten this thing, this was starting to turn. I've seen people, this will turn until it hits this part right here. If you do that, as soon as you hook the battery back up, the starter is going to be turning. So this thing is just a relay. And so when you put power here, it connects this constant power to this power, or to this. This then sends power to the starter itself. So make sure that these two aren't touching whenever you get done with that. But anyway, we'll put the little condom back on it and we'll call this one done. All right, get our battery hooked back up. All right, now let's go see if it starts. All right, guys, well, that's going to wrap this one up for today. So parts and labor breakdown, that was a Bosch, a new Bosch unit. It costs $125. Labor calls for 1 hour. So whatever your labor rate is times an hour, that's what you get for that. This is super simple. Even if we had to do it on the ground, it is not that big a deal. It is a grand total of 6 bolts. So not that hard. Anyway, guys, that's going to wrap this one up for today. Hopefully you earned a thumbs up from you. Let us know what you think down in the comment section. We have new content for you every single week, so consider subscribing to the channel. And with all that being said, thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one. catching a whiff of something. I can't tell if it's dog crap or weed.